Hello, I'm back again, and this time I would like to talk about beliefs surrounding menstruation since prehistoric times. So, let me first begin with the Hawaiian community which existed before Christianity. उसमें menstruation को absolutely sacred blood भी माना जाता था, and that period was also supposed to be very sacred when it was believed that women had elevated spiritual powers. और ऐसा माना जाता था that already it was a matriarchal society, that the woman became so powerful that if the man went close to her, then his soul energy would be sucked out. तो ये एक बिलीफ है, एंड दैट मेन वुड नॉट बी एबल टू हैंडल सच एलिवेटेड स्पिरिचुअल पावर्स. अब उसके बाद हम, एंड दिस इज लॉन्ग बिफोर menstrual blood was supposed to be dirty, polluted and unclean, like modern patriarchal society believes it to be. उसके बाद हम चलते हैं Celtic Britain की ओर, जहां to be stained with red. Now red stands for menstrual blood, was symbolic of being chosen by the goddess. Celtic Britain में जितने rituals होते थे, religious rituals, those were performed by elderly women who didn't menstruate. They were supposed to be the wisest in the community because they had been able to retain their menstrual blood, which was also the wisdom blood. उसके बाद if we consider in pre-Christian Europe, there used to be a goddess called Black Madonna, जो अभी भी यूरोप के कई देशों में कई चर्चेस में पूजी जाती है. So this Black Madonna stood for the bleeding or the menstruating woman, and in fact she was so powerful that ऐसा माना जाता था that she could control weather conditions. फिर बाद में फ्रेंच एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट क्लॉड लेविस्ट्रॉस करके एक बहुत जाने माने रिसर्चर थे, और उन्होंने कई सारी किताबें भी लिखी है. व्हेन ही स्टडीड द culture and the myths of North and South American indigenous tribes, तो उन्होंने देखा that men got majorly worried because वो मानते थे unless a woman's menstrual cycle is synchronized and monitored, the universe can descend into chaos. In some historic cultures around the world, women, again, they were considered to have sacred spiritual powers during menstruation. Cherokee करके एक native American Indian tribe है जो मानता था that the menstrual blood is a source of feminine strength and that it can destroy enemies. In ancient Rome, Pliny the Elder in fact wrote that a menstruating woman who uncovers her body and she stands in the open, she can scare away hailstorms, thunder, lightning, tempests, everything. And if she strips naked and walks through the fields, so there are pests like worms, caterpillars, locusts, beetles जो बहुत हानि पहुंचाते हैं crops को, they will automatically fall off and perish. काफी सारे African tribal communities में menstrual blood is used as an important ingredient in both white and black magic. एंड अब हम बढ़ते हैं दूसरे मॉडर्न रिलीजन्स की तरफ, जैसे हिंदुइज्म है एंड द एब्राहमिक फेथ्स. तो इन सब में इफ वी लुक एट द एब्राहमिक फेथ्स एंड वैदिक ब्राह्मणिज्म, these faiths do discriminate against menstruating women. बुद्धिज्म को जहां तक हम देखते हैं तो बुद्धिज्म just regards menstruation as a natural bodily secretion which women have to undergo every month. However, there are some strains of Japanese traditions of Japanese Buddhism which restrict women from entering temple premises. But if you look at the Bhutanese tradition of Buddhism, it again considers menstrual blood to be sacred. And Tantric Tibetan Buddhism में अगर हम देखें तो again it's a source of feminine strength. इंडिया में असम के स्टेट में गुवाहाटी जो शहर है, वहाँ साल में 4 दिन का एक मेला लगता है विच इज कॉल्ड द अंबुबाची मेला, जिस दौरान इट इज बिलीव दैट वहाँ जो कामाख्या देवी का मंदिर है, द गॉडेस इज मेंस्ट्रुएटिंग ड्यूरिंग दोज 4 days एंड पीपल फ्रॉम अक्रॉस इंडिया कलेक्ट टू सेलिब्रेट दैट फेस्टिवल. अगर हम सिखिज्म में देखें तो ऐसा कोई भेदभाव नहीं है टुवर्ड्स menstruating women. अगर हम ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज की बात करें, पहाड़ों में बसने वाले, जंगलों में बसने वाले, तो काफी सारे ऐसे सोसाइटीज एंड कम्युनिटीज है जहां मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड को बहुत सेक्रेड, बहुत प्योर माना जाता है, और इनफैक्ट माथे पर तिलक किया जाता है मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड से. सो वी कैन come to this thesis that with the advent of the patriarchal religions or the father god believing religions, whether it was the Abrahamic faiths or whether it was Vedic Brahmanism, the position of women was diminished, and subsequently menstrual blood started being perceived as polluted, dirty, and menstruating women started being depicted as impure. So, thank you for watching this, and be with us as we bring more such interesting stories to you.